Hey everyone! Welcome back to Protect Tutor. Today, we have a quick and easy tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode for YouTube on your PC or laptop, which not only looks cool but can also be easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your Google Chrome. Then go to the YouTube homepage, like this. Once you're here, click on three dots in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Here, just go down until you see Extension. Just click on this Extensions. There's two options here. Just choose second option, visit Chrome Web Store. This will redirect to Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Dark Mode YouTube. There will be a few options for the extension. Just install one of the extensions from the list. For me personally, the first extension is the best, so I'm going to install that. Dark Mode Dark Reader for Chrome. Just click on it. And then, click on Add to Chrome on the right side here. Now add extension. And that's it. The extension now is installed. Now, all we need to do is turn on the dark mode for YouTube. To do that, just go back to your YouTube tab here. Click on Reload this page in order to refresh it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on YouTube. It's that easy. Now your eyes can relax, and you can enjoy your favorite videos without straining in the dark. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Protect Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions or video ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.